If you need to change the upload date on Google Drive, the simplest method is to re-upload the file so it gets a fresh date stamp. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to do that quickly and safely so you can update the file's upload time without any confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive and find the file whose upload date you want to change. Before you do anything else, download that file to your computer. This is important because you'll need a local copy to upload again. Once the file is downloaded, go back to Google Drive and right-click the file, then choose Remove. This takes the original file out of your drive. After that, go to the trash section in Google Drive. You'll want to empty the trash so the old version is fully removed. This helps avoid confusion later when you upload the file again. Once the file has been deleted from Drive and the trash is emptied, you're ready for the next step. Now, click the plus New button in Google Drive. From the menu, select File Upload. Find the file you downloaded earlier on your computer, then upload it again to Drive. Because this is a fresh upload, Google Drive will assign it a new upload date and time based on the moment you added it back. This is the key part. The new upload date will now reflect the current time instead of the original date. So if you were trying to update the file's date for organization, sorting, or record keeping, this is the easiest way to do it. Just remember, this method changes the upload time by creating a new upload, not by editing the old date directly. To confirm that it worked, right-click the file after it finishes uploading, then click File Info and select Details. In the Details panel, you should see the updated upload information, including the new date and time. That's how you can double-check that the file was uploaded fresh and the date has changed successfully. If you want, you can repeat this process for any other files in your drive that need a new upload date. It's a simple trick, but it can save a lot of time when you need your files to appear in the correct order or with the latest timestamp. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.